Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. We are going to see the standard 10th Maths 2, chapter number 1, similarity. From that we have completed the practice set 1.1. Now we are going to see the theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. Theorem: if a line is parallel to a side of a triangle, intersect the remaining side in a two distinct point, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. Now here the triangle is shown, that is triangle ABC. Line L is parallel to the side BC and the line L is intersecting to the side AB at the point P and to the side AC at the point Q. Given in triangle ABC, line L is parallel to BC and the line L intersect AB and AC in the point P and Q respectively. To prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, we have did the construction. Draw a segment PC and segment BQ. Now proof. In this proof, in triangle APQ and triangle PQB, it has the same, that is equal height, therefore area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB. AP upon PB. This is equation number 1. Now, and triangle area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equal to, here also the point P is in a common, so it is having a common height, so there it is in a proportion to their side, that is AQ upon QC. This is equation number 2. Now segment PQ, this segment PQ is on a common base. For a triangle PQC and triangle PQB. And segment PQ is parallel to side BC. Therefore, area of triangle PQC is equal to the area of triangle PQB. This is an equation number 3. Now, from equation 1, 2 and 3, if we will see the denominator, that is area of triangle PQB is equal to the area of triangle PQC. Their LHS are equal, that means their RHS are also equal. So we are writing now here area of triangle, that is APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC from 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC is proved. After basic proportionality theorem, we are going to see the property of an angle bisector of the triangle. Theorem: the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining side. Now here one triangle is given, that is triangle ABC. From the angle C we have drawn the angle bisector, that is an ray CE. That means angle ACE is equal to the angle BCE. These both are equal because of the angle bisector. Now given in a triangle ABC, bisector of the angle C intersects the segment AB in the point E. To prove AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CB, this we are going to prove. To prove that, we are going to do the construction. Draw a line parallel to the ray CE passing through the point B, extending the side AC, and both they are intersecting at the point D. Proof: ray CE is parallel to BD. Ray CE parallel to ray BD, and AD as a transversal. AD as a transversal. That means close this part. These two are parallel and this is a transversal. So in that, angle ACE is equal to the angle CDB. That is a corresponding angle. That is an equation number 1 we have taken. Now taking BC as a transversal, this same ray CE and BD, they are the parallel. At that time, angle ECB is congruent to the angle CBD. That is an alternate angles. This is an equation number 2. But angle ACE is equal to the angle BCE, as a ray CE is an angle bisector. This is an equation number 3 we have taken. From equation 1, 2 and 3, we will get that angle CBD is equal to angle CDB. Now in triangle CBD, side CB is equal to side CD. These two sides are opposite to the congruent angle. Opposite to the congruent angle. Therefore, CB is equal to CD. That is an equation number 4. Now in a triangle ABD, ray CE is parallel to side BD. Then by basic proportionality theorem, we can say that AE is equal to EB is equal, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. That is by basic proportionality. Now AE upon AB is equal to AC upon CB. That is from equation 4 and 5 we will get that proof. So it is proved here.